Hello everyone. Welcome to Rapid Maths Tricks. Today, we will learn a magical additional trick.
Ma'am, what type of magical trick?
It is a 5-step trick where I will write the answer after the first step and will compare it with the final answer.
Ma'am, it sounds like an impossible trick.
No, there is nothing impossible in it. Step 1. Tell me a 2-digit number.
24.
Now, your answer is 222. Step 2. Again tell me another number.
34.
Step 3. Now I will write one 2-digit number, that is 65. Step 4. Again you write one more number.
Okay. Let the number be 12.
Step 5. Now I will take the last number. Example 87. Now, add all the numbers. So the sum is 222. Let's see the number in this paper. Now, you will match the number from the sum of numbers.
Yes, ma'am. Both are the same. But how you know the answer before second step? What is the secret behind this?
Let's see. You only mind the first digit your friend write. That is 24. Now, here is the way to know the sum of all digits after your friend write the first number. Now, put 2 into the left side of the 24 and the last 2 digits, that is 24. So we subtract 24 by 2. So we will replace 24 from 22. So, this is your sum of all 5 digits. Next, we will deal with step 3 and step 5, in which you have to write the number. In step 3, look at the above digit. Try to make the sum of above digit and yours equal to 9. So the answer is 6 and 5. That is the number you write in step 3. Do the same process again in step 5. Now, you know the magical part of the trick.
Yes. I got it, ma'am.
In this video we completed rapid magical maths tricks. In next video, we are going to cover square root of perfect square. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest update.